Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to create a Meetup account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to install your Meetup application, and once you have done that, simply open your Meetup application. Tap on sign up. Now you can either continue with Google, continue with email, or continue with Facebook. Here I am going to continue with email. Enter your name. Enter your email. Now set a password that is strong enough for your account. Provide your birth date. Tap on OK. Select your gender. Tap on sign up. And that is how you can easily create a Meetup account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment below your feedback and questions. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss our upcoming videos.